First, click Compliance. Now, click HOS. Next, click Logs. In addition to editing logs, administrators can also add logs by clicking the plus icon. Click the Date field to add a date and time, and then click Done. From here, select the Status from the drop-down menu, and then select the Vehicle from the drop-down. Select the driver, and if you're utilizing them, any co-drivers to be assigned to the log. Enter the reason for creating the log in the Annotations field. Click Save when you're finished, and click OK to confirm. The new log will remain pending until the driver accepts or rejects the log. Congratulations! You've just completed the tutorial for how to add HOS ELD logs.